Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving deep into the 2026 Ferrari Roma, a car that perfectly blends Italian elegance with raw performance. The Roma made waves when it was first introduced, and now Ferrari has refined it even further. For 2026, this grand touring masterpiece continues to embody a minimalist design philosophy while hiding an aggressive beast under the hood. So buckle up, because this is not just a car, it's a statement. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 Roma is its seductive exterior. Ferrari has stayed true to its La Nuova Dolce Vita inspiration. The lines are clean, flowing effortlessly from front to rear with no clutter or excessive ornamentation. The front grille has been slightly updated with an even sleeker mesh pattern, while the slim matrix LED headlights are now sharper, almost predatory. The overall stance is low and wide, giving the Roma a poised and muscular look. Around the back, the quad taillight design remains, but there's a subtle tweak in the rear diffuser and exhaust layout, offering both aesthetic and aerodynamic improvements. Even in Ferrari's stunning Rosso Fuoco or Blue Casa finishes, the Roma looks like a sculpture in motion. Step inside, and the Roma continues to impress. The cabin is a modern work of art. Ferrari has pushed its dual cockpit layout further, giving both the driver and passenger their own control zones. The digital cluster is crisp and configurable, while the center stack now features a larger, portrait-style touchscreen with upgraded haptic feedback. The minimalist gear selector remains, inspired by the classic gated shifter, and there's now improved leather wrapping, optional Alcantara inserts, and ambient lighting that adapts to drive modes. The seats are redesigned for added lumbar support on long journeys, and the rear seats, though compact, offer a touch more legroom than previous models. For a Ferrari, the Roma is surprisingly daily driver-friendly, even including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium surround sound system by JBL. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance under the hood. The 2026 Roma is powered by Ferrari's refined 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now delivering a staggering 620 horsepower and 561 pounds-ft of torque. It's paired to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission derived from the SF90. This setup launches the Roma from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. With a top speed north of 199 miles per hour, Ferrari has improved the throttle response, retuned the suspension for better ride comfort on touring drives, and made the steering even more precise. The Roma glides through city traffic, devours winding roads, and dominates on the highway, all while making that glorious V8 sound sing through its tuned exhaust system. Ferrari has also introduced a new silent start mode for early morning drives in quiet neighborhoods. But trust me, once you're on the open road, you'll want that growl at full volume. As for pricing, the 2026 Ferrari Roma starts around $250,000 USD, but as always with Ferrari, options will push that figure higher. Custom colors, forged wheels, carbon fiber packages, and interior trim upgrades can easily take it beyond $300,000. However, for a grand tour that combines everyday usability with head-turning style and exhilarating performance, the Roma is arguably one of Ferrari's most well-rounded offerings. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari Roma is the embodiment of modern Italian luxury, fast, beautiful, and surprisingly practical. Whether you're looking to cruise through the countryside or light up a canyon road, the Roma delivers an experience few cars can match. Ferrari has found the sweet spot between sophistication and savagery, and the result is nothing short of breathtaking. If you're in the market for a GT that does it all, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and supercar spotlights. See you in the next one.